This is Emhape Tech with new video. Alcatel has once again unveiled a new range of smartphones at MWC, with a new Alcatel 5 the most impressive spec-wise, but the cheapest phone technically being the most innovative. Before we get into the new range, the highlight of these phones isn't really the spec sheet, but the price they come at. The specifications are decent, but they all a fraction of the cost of a Samsung Galaxy S8 or iPhone X. With the Alcatel One X, you'll be able to experience the new Android Go platform, a new system from Google which cuts the app size down by half and offers new takes on things like Google Assistant to help entry-level phones thrive with less power on offer. All the phones come with an 18:9 display to increase the screen-to-body ratio, which Alcatel is claiming as a first, to have a whole range of phones at differing price points using the full-view screen. The new Alcatel 5 comes with a 5.7-inch HD Plus display, which doesn't seem to be Full HD, using IPS LCD technology to deliver better contrast ratio and color reproduction than standard panels. An octa-core MediaTek CPU is combined with 3 GB of RAM, and there's 32 GB of onboard storage, with up to 128 GB more through the microSD slot. The cameras are slightly reversed here, with the front-facing snapper the more impressive. There are two sensors here, one 13MP and one 5MP, which combine automatically to create a wider selfie mode when 2 or more people are detected in the picture. The Alcatel 3V is the most impressive of the group, offering a 6-inch 18:9 QHD display, with a quad-core MediaTek CPU, a dual-sensor snapper on the back, 12MP with a 2MP depth sensor for bokeh effects, and Android Oreo out of the box. If you fancy this handset, it's available now in black, blue and gold for $190, around £170, $230, $300 Australian. The Alcatel 3, like the 3V, also offers facial recognition to unlock, and an 18:9 display, albeit smaller at 5.5 inches and only at HD resolution. It has rolling, curved 2.5D glass at the edges though, so will feel a little more premium in the hand compared to other phones at the $150, around £130, $180, $235 Australian, and you can pick it up in the same black, blue and gold colors as above. If you want to make things really cheap but still like the thrill of an 18:9 display, then check out the Alcatel One X. No, really, you should. Phones at this price point often have decent spec sheets but don't always live up to the billing in real life. As mentioned, the Alcatel One X will come with Android Oreo Go edition, which means the apps are significantly smaller and require less power to operate. That makes sense given the phone has a MediaTek quad-core chipset, clocked to 1.3 GHz, and only 1 GB of RAM to power things along. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.